Hey guys, it's Jenny and welcome back to vlog number 2. It took me about 2 days to edit this one because I felt so horrible yesterday. Today I'm feeling a lot better. It's already getting dark a little bit, so maybe the screen, I don't know. But anyhow, vlog 2 of Spain. I went to a abandoned fabric and we also visited a city and a market. So I hope you enjoy this video as well. This is the last vlog about Spain. So just so you know, afterwards I have 2 more videos coming up. So I hope you stick and stay here. Stick and stay here? What the fuck? I hope you stay here to watch this as well. Those as well. I hope you enjoy this vlog and see you guys soon. Bye. Good morning. We're on our way to a market and later today we're gonna go to another. It weren't mines, right? I thought we're gonna go to a abandoned place. I thought there were mines as well, but apparently it's an abandoned factory. I thought it belonged to. I'm not sure. You looked it up. So. Yeah, we'll see. We're gonna see abandoned stuff, and yeah, let's see what the rest of the day brings.
Aan de andere kant is dat maar.
Yeah.
Well.
What? I'm still afraid of heights, you know, a bit. We are at the top of the mountain. It's very windy, so I hope you can hear me. But we are gonna look at a few cannons that they used to protect the city. Chris knows a lot more about this place than I do. I just asked, how do I explain this in English? I was like, oh yeah, that's quite simple. But anyhow. Oh, that's pretty cool. Yeah. Let's go in here. Whoa! Tiny stairs. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Shall we go down?
Ja, nog een spoeltje en die breekt. Je ziet het ook in het donker.
Oké. Blijf jij bijspringen? Exploring the unknown. Oh, there's an opening already with light, so.
Okay.
Oh, they closed it off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Vocht erop.
Those kids were like, what? Hey, there's that Jenny. Small area. adventure time with Jenny and Chris. It's so cool. You have all these small areas. And again, we're trapped. Shall we go to the left, or do you want to go into the dark parts? Me neither. Shall we go to the other cannon?
Yeah, sure.
You're too tall. Imagine you living in that time area.
Yeah. I would leave no one behind, but no one is spelled this way.
What?
No one is
Leave no one behind. No one. Do they have Wi-Fi on top of this hill? I don't think so.
Let me check.
It would be very funny if it still worked, even though all the cables are down.
But I think it's like a computer or whatever from this solar panel thingy.
Ah. We are in Cartagena right now to have some lunch, and apparently there's a festival going on and so many people are dressed up. Enjoy! It looks really nice! I found a head and a few eggs over there.
Get out of my head. Am I the voice inside of yet?
It's the hardest part of the day.
Yeah.
And I am slowly dying. You can talk.
I thought you were talking to me. So I'm like, yeah.
Oh yeah. Both actually. So this was the hot spot, or?
No, I guess the stairs and the statue below.
Oh. Everything I didn't film. So we found the open air, what's it called? Theater? Yeah. But it's closed unfortunately. But I'm gonna show you. Shall I go first? Or waiting? Guys, we found the abandoned fabric. Ooh, watch out, it's loose.
Yeah.
Rusted. to check out. You see that gap over there? I think it's very deep.
Ah, yeah.
But we have to be very, very careful.
Yeah.
Honestly, I'm not sure if I really want to go there. We did it.
Deze flesje is recent, want deze is tot 2023 goed.
They made this in 2014.
Really?
Yeah, you can see it on top. House 2014.
Ah.
So sick.
Ah.
We climbed the top of the hill. Well, not the entire top, but we came pretty far, but there's not much to see. I did already spot police, and people told me that you do not want to mess with the Spanish police. Still watching us. Hey. What's up, brother? We see each other.